Okay. Okay, we're gonna get kicked out of the apartment. All right. Okay, this is weird. Stop it. Okay. Stop it. We're gonna get kicked out.
Come on, Lucy. Lucy, let's go. Lucy, come. Lucy, come. Let's go. Come on. Atta girl, come on. What's the matter with your feet? Is it too hot? Is your feet too hot? Oh, look at the foot. Look at what's the matter. Is it too hot? Come on. Let's go. Oh, is it too hot? Oh my goodness. Are you trying to tell Daddy the ground's too hot for your feet? Huh? No, it isn't. Stop playing fake. Oh, you're so funny. No, that's not hot. You know that. You're just laying there. Well, come on. Let's go. Come on. Lucy, come. Come on. Atta girl.
Di Cannavaro, palla tagliata, messa fuori, c'è Pirlo, ancora Pirlo di tetto, tiro,
The first circle is to verify that I do in fact need to poop. The second is to check for gremlins and men with beards and hats. The third is to re-verify my need for pooping.
I love you. I love it. What do you want?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
I said no. Okay, wait.
Come here, buddy. You just messed it. Come up here a second. Just come up. Come up here. Come up. Up, 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 up. The maps aren't going to move because he just whacked the computer with his head. So let me just verbalize the forecast, okay? That wasn't very smart. We'll have clouds overnight tonight with temps in the 60s. Then tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sun, a couple of showers, and temperatures will top off in the probably like the mid 80s. And then coming up on Friday and Saturday, partly cloudy, turning more humid with temperatures again in the mid 80s. Didn't mean to keep you up. Next time, buddy, we're going to eat after this. So that's the forecast. I will be back at 4:45 with. Oh boy. Oh boy. She's jumping up looking for Craig outside the window.
Oh, don't take this the wrong way, Paul, but this is amazing and great. I love it.
Oh boy. That's.
We don't need to see that forecast map. We'll just look at.
It's rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extra.